Hello.
Hey Gary, what's up?
I haven't talked to you in a long time. What's been happening?
Well, I don't know if you heard, I just moved into a new apartment in La.
No. I heard you were thinking about move, but I didn't know you'd already found a place. That's cool.
Yeah, I'm really happy about it.
Do you have any roommates?
No, not this time. It's a big change for me 'cause I've never lived alone.
Don't you think you'll be lonely?
Not really, I have two friends who live in the same building. We all had dinner together last night.
Are they students also?
No, they're not students, but there are a lot of students living in the building.
Sounds like a nice place.
Justin, have you found a girlfriend yet?
No, not yet.
What about Jenny?
She has a boyfriend.
How about that girl from work you were telling me about last year?
Who, Emily? She's married now. She got married last month.
I see. It seems like everyone our age is married.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Is there anyone interested in?
There is one girl I like 2 lives in my building. I talk to her a lot, because she's also studying English.
What's she like?
She's really nice. She moved here from Texas about 3 months ago.
What does she do?
She's an accountant.
That's a good job. She must be really smart. Have you asked her out yet?
Actually, we're going to dinner on Friday.
Good luck. What's your favorite sport?
I like basketball. I watch the games on TV all the time.
Who's your favorite team?
The Boston Celtics.
They really good this year, aren't they?
Yes. Do you like them?
Yes. Everyone around here does.
Do you think they'll win the championship this year?
It's possible. They have some really good players.
Did you watch the game last night?
A little, not the whole thing. I watched the second half, though, and I saw some of the highlights online.
It was a great game, wasn't it?
Yeah. Do you know who they're playing tomorrow night?
I think they're playing Louisiana.
That's going to be a tough game. LA has a good team. Thomas, your English is so good. How did you learn it?
Well, in my country everyone has to take English starting in the first grade. I've been taking English courses for 12 years now.
Wow. That's interesting. I remember when we took trip last year and visited your family. It seemed like there weren't many people that could speak with me in English.
Oh, that's because they don't speak English that much.
But they speak it in school, right? Maybe they just didn't like me, so they didn't want to talk to me.
No, actually they like you a lot. They told me they thought you were very nice. They are shy. They're not used to talking with foreigners. I remember when I first came to the US. I was really nervous about speaking with people.
I see. I thought there were lots of Americans teaching English in your country.
Yes, that's true. There are probably twice as many now as there were 5 years ago, but they are mostly in the cities. My family lives in the country.
I wonder why. Personally, I prefer the country to the city. It's so quiet and peaceful. If I were to teach, I would want to teach in the country.
Do you think you would want to teach someday? I know the schools around my town are looking teachers, so if want I can call them and get more information.
No, I don't think so. I would need to stay there for a year, and I don't think I can take that much time off work.
Well, if you changed your mind, let me know. I think you would be a really great teacher.